Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Xiaomi 12T Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to update this phone. Firstly, you need to open Settings application, then find System Apps Updater. Here you will see all system apps you can update now. As you can see, I have no updates for my system apps, but if you want to update your system, click About Phone, and here you will see your MIUI version. Click on it, and here you will see updates available for your device. As you can see, I have update for MIUI 13 stable for 650 megabytes. So I want to download it and install. So if you want to, just click download and wait a while. Great, as you can see, update was successfully downloaded and synced. And now just click Reboot Now to completely install your update. Great, that's it. As you can see, now I have latest version of my MIUI and I have no updates now. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.